Welcome back to our channel guys, and for today's video is meron tayong i-unbox galing sa T-App. And this device is wireless microphone. And actually, ginagamit ko na siya. It has clear timbre, highly sensitive, widely compatible, precise radio, 20 meters of accessible reception, and plug and play. At kaya naman napaka-useful nito sa paggawa nyo ng video presentation, voice over, live show, interview, and short vlog, or even vlog. So what can I say about this microphone? So this microphone is approved! If newbie ka pa lang and does not have enough budget to purchase high quality wireless microphone, I can suggest you this device. And ino-note ko lang guys, baka hindi siya mag-work properly in some other device. All you have to do is go to your phone settings and turn on your OTG and you're ready to go. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-plug in mo na ang wireless microphone mo. Rolling! In 3, 2, 1, action!